Hey, I'm Josh with Apex Overland. I'm going to show you how we lift up 2023 and up Toyota Sequoias and Tundras on a two-post lift here. So this video is more for our techs at oil change shops, wheels and tires places, other shops. If you're not familiar with it, it's almost like every other Toyota, but we're going to show you exactly how I like to do it and how it works best for me. So we will start off by kicking our arms underneath the truck. The rear arm, our lift is the flip up style. If you have the one that uses the post, just add some post to it so you clear your side steps. But I like to extend it out and get it so it's going to contact right in front of this trailing arm mount. So far back as possible. You don't wait up here, really far back, about like that. And then for the front, stand our foot up here. About right there. So the body mount bolt's right there, but the frame runs right here. Put it about right there. And as far as where to place it for the two posts, most shops should or do have one of the pads you drive over. I like to space it just a little further than over the pad, because yes, you do have your engine, your transmission, but back here you have your whole hybrid battery system, especially on all the Sequoias. So there's a lot of weight back here too. So you can about see where I want it. It's about the middle of the door. And we're going to repeat the process for obviously the other side. Mounts under. And there we go. Now we lift it up. I like to get just a little weight on them. And then we still haven't reached that first click yet, so I'm not going under anything. And just verifying my mounts have hit their spots I want them to hit. All right, all the spots checked out, so up we go. All right, got to our first lockout clicks. Just like to take and grab the tire. Pretty bounced, should be good. Up we go. There we are, we're setting the locks. Let me go underneath it and bring you guys with me and show you where I was aiming for on the lift. All right, under here now. Now you can see where I was aiming for. We hit it perfectly. There you go. And then this is the passenger side fuel tank. Boom, right on it. Right at the base of that mount. And then the front, right in this section of frame right here. So there you go. There's that body mount bolt cover I was talking about, pretty much straight off of it, times two. Hopefully that little tip and this little short video just helps some of you techs on how to lift up a 2023 Toyota Sequoia. See you guys later.